Well, Saturday morning, it's raining. The rain came like they said it was going to. Birthday boy is right over there. Thought I could zoom in. He's 2 years old, little Lincoln. He's gonna help us in the shop. Put the augers down on the combine. We're gonna pull that into the shop. You ready to pull this thing in the shop? Huh? You ready to get greasing? You're little, so you can get in all the spots I can't get in. You kind of get a little gun shy. How old are you today?
Hi.
Hi. Are you 2 years old? Say 2. I'm Lincoln and I'm 2 years old.
Hi.
Whoa, that's not. Say, I'm Lincoln.
Is that the one?
I'm 2 years old. Okay, let's back this thing in there. Okay, buddy? You be my eyes. You watch that mirror over there, okay?
Okay.
Okay, hang on. Placing this lock on one that has seen its better days with this one. A little bit heavier duty. That didn't work. We're gonna grease that baby. Well, shop day. Combine's greased, oil's checked, everything's good. Changed all the bearings on the back of the combine. In the video I show you right there. Got all those. The sun is shining. Beans are a little wet yet, but we're gonna move over to the Simpson farm, which is quite a haul from our farm, our home farm, which is where we're at. So a little walk around. Our shop is a disaster, as it is every fall, trying to get ready. So, but it's huge, so that's nice. Got the head in here, forklift is there, all of our welding area, and then just miscellaneous construction stuff over here. Here's Mitchell on the four-wheeler. Say hi, Mitch. We going farming? Good. And then the bench with all the tools, and any flat surface in a shop, you'll know that they collect junk. That's probably what most of that is junk. All the way along there. Some of it's good, but for the most part, it's all junk. So, there, like I said, there's the corn header, which I hope to put on Monday, because we'll be done with beans, hopefully. Knock on wood, don't try to plan too far ahead. And then here's the nice part of the shop. This used to be our old shop. We've now converted it as a toy shed. So, yeah, put all the nice stuff in here. So that's it. Just a little rundown. Next video should be picking beans. Just got the combine out of the shop. At the fuel tank, so we don't have to fill out of the portable fuel tank. We decided to fill out of our barrel. A rock? Rock. Here you go. Is that too big? All hooked up. Ready to go. Ready to go. Dad's coming down the road right now with the combine, and we're on our way to Simpson. Wish us luck. Hopefully the beans will go tomorrow morning. Don't break my window. Isn't it a beautiful thing? Riding off into the sunset. Neat. Well, seems the beans didn't go at the Simpson farm, which we expected. We got everything over there ready to go. And now we can spend our time in the garage, cracking cold ones, and hopefully be ready for tomorrow morning. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll pick something tomorrow.